Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Peter Channel, where learning English is always fun and relaxing. I'm Lily, and I'm so happy to be here with all of you.
And I'm Peter. It's great to have you joining us today. We're really excited because we have a warm, easy conversation for you. Just the two of us, chatting like friends.
Yes, exactly. So get comfortable, grab a drink if you want, and enjoy this simple English conversation.
All right, Lily, how has your week been?
Oh, my week? It's been full of little surprises. Some funny, some stressful, and some very peaceful. How about you?
Same here, a mix of everything. Actually, something funny happened on Monday.
Oh, I love funny stories. Tell me.
Well, I tried cooking dinner.
Gasps dramatically? Wait, Peter cooked?
Yes, you always act so surprised.
I mean, I have reasons. Continue.
I decided to make pasta. Fancy pasta. You know, cream, mushrooms, garlic, cheese.
That sounds delicious, but knowing you, I'm waiting for the twist.
The twist is, I burned my finger.
Oh no! Did you at least save the food?
Yes, the pasta survived, I survived, everything was good.
Well, I'm proud of you. Cooking is not easy, and trying something new takes courage.
Thank you. What about your Monday? Anything special?
Yes, I finally started a mystery book I've been wanting to read for months.
Ah, the I can't put it down kind of book.
Exactly. I stayed up way too late reading.
Just like when you watch dramas.
Peter, please, you're exposing me in public.
I speak only the truth.
Well, yes, I get addicted to stories, but it really helped me relax after a long day.
Speaking of long days, how was Tuesday?
Chaos. Absolute chaos.
Oh no, what happened?
I overslept 1 full hour.
That is the worst feeling.
I flew out of bed like a superhero who forgot their mission.
Did you eat breakfast?
Peter, I barely grabbed my bag. Breakfast was a dream.
Then you needed coffee.
I did. A big iced coffee.
Classic, Lily. Coffee is your survival tool.
Yes, and by the end of the day, everything finally calmed down.
My midweek was calmer. On Wednesday, I took a long walk in the park.
Sounds peaceful.
It was. Fresh air, trees, music, and a little surprise.
Oh no, what kind of surprise?
A dog followed me.
A dog?
A tiny, fluffy one. Very cute.
Did you keep it?
No, I took it back to the park entrance.
So you almost became a dog dad?
Almost. Very close.
That is adorable.
How about Thursday and Friday?
Friday was dramatic.
I knew it.
I dropped my phone.
Oh no.
Yes, my heart almost stopped, but it survived.
Then you deserved a celebration.
I bought cake, a big one.
Cake solves everything.
It really does.
My Friday was nice. I met a friend at a cafe and had hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate? I thought you were a black coffee guy.
Not on Fridays. Fridays need sweetness.
True. That sounds like a perfect way to end the week.
So overall, it seems like our week was full of interesting little moments.
Yes, nothing huge, but meaningful in small ways.
Exactly. These small stories make life warm.
And we hope that by listening, our viewers also relax and enjoy simple English conversations.
That's what we love, sharing moments that feel real, friendly, and easy to understand.
And before we move on to the weekend stories, which are a lot more interesting, we want to say something.
Yes, if you enjoy conversations like this, your support means the world to us.
Absolutely. A small like or a quick subscribe helps the Mr. Peter channel grow so much.
And it encourages us to keep making warm, simple English dialogues for you.
So if you want more conversations like this, feel free to support us in the most gentle way. Just a click.
Thank you so much. Shall we continue to part 2?
Yes, definitely. My weekend story is waiting.
And mine too.
Hello again, everyone. Welcome to part 2 of our conversation on Mr. Peter channel. I'm Lily, and I'm glad you stayed with us for the next part.
And I'm Peter. If you're joining now, this is part 2. We're continuing our friendly weekend chat, and we'll share more simple English phrases you can use. Before we start, a small note. If you enjoy part 1 and part 2, a like or subscribe helps us keep making episodes like this. Thank you.
So, Peter, shall we start with Saturday morning stories? I can't wait to hear yours.
Yes, let's go. Saturday morning, I woke up early because the sun was shining and I felt energetic. I decided to go to the farmer's market.
Oh, the farmer's market is always lovely. What did you buy?
I bought fresh bread, some tomatoes, and herbs. There was a stall with homemade jam, too, so I bought strawberry jam.
That sounds delicious. Did you eat breakfast there?
I had a small pastry with a cup of coffee while I walked through the stalls. It was peaceful and smelled like fresh flowers and baking.
I love that morning feeling. It makes the whole day brighter. My Saturday morning was busy. I had to clean the house and organize some things.
Housework can be tiring but rewarding. Did you find anything surprising while cleaning?
Yes, I found an old box of letters from when I was a student. Reading them made me smile.
That's a nice surprise. Old letters are like little time machines.
Exactly. After cleaning, I went for a short walk and met a friend for lunch. We ate at a small cafe and talked for a long time.
That sounds lovely. So Saturday was market and quiet time for me, and cleaning and friends for you. How about Saturday afternoon?
In the afternoon, I practiced piano for an hour. I'm learning a new song slowly. Practice is not always fun, but it feels good to improve.
That's admirable. Learning something new takes patience. I used my afternoon to cook. Remember my pasta from earlier? I decided to try a new dessert too. Baked apples with cinnamon.
Peter, that sounds fancy again. Did you burn anything this time?
No burns today. The apples were soft and sweet. I served them with the strawberry jam I bought in the morning. It was a good combination.
Wow, you're turning into quite the weekend chef.
Saturday evening was special. I went to a small outdoor concert in the park. The music was gentle and many families were there.
An outdoor concert, so charming. What kind of music?
Acoustic guitar and a warm voice. We sat on a blanket and listened as the sun set. It felt calm and happy.
That sounds like a perfect Saturday night. My Saturday night was quieter. I called my parents and we talked for an hour.
Phone calls with family are precious. Did you talk about something important?
We talked about small things, recipes, a neighbor's baby, plans for next month, simple conversations that make me feel connected.
I like that. So we both had good Saturday nights in different ways. Music for me, family for you.
Now, Sunday, my favorite day for rest and reflection. How did your Sunday start?
I slept in a little and then made a slow breakfast. I read a few pages of a newspaper and checked my messages. Later, I met a friend for a bike ride. The weather was warm and the path had many trees.
A bike ride sounds so refreshing. Did you ride far?
Not too far, but enough to feel happy and tired in a good way. After the ride, we had iced tea and talked about plans for summer.
That sounds peaceful. My Sunday morning was also calm. I went to a small church service and enjoyed a quiet time to think and be thankful.
I remember you mentioned church in part 1. It's a lovely routine.
Yes, it helps me start the week with a clear heart. After that, I visited a bookstore. I couldn't resist a new novel.
Did you buy that mystery you started earlier?
No, a different one, a short stories collection. It looked inviting. I love reading short stories on Sunday afternoons.
That's a perfect Sunday plan. I spent my afternoon doing small tasks, paying bills, watering plants, and preparing a simple dinner. I also practiced a short guitar piece.
You had a very balanced weekend, activity and rest. For dinner, what did you make?
I made a light salad with tomatoes, olives, and a little cheese, and warmed some bread. Simple but satisfying.
I made a family lunch with my mother's special recipe, roasted chicken and vegetables. We laughed a lot and took many photos.
Family photos are wonderful memories.
Before we finish, Peter, let's highlight some useful sentences our listeners can use when talking about their weekend.
Good idea. You can say, I went to the farmer's market. I cooked dinner. I visited my parents. I watched a movie. I relaxed at home. These are simple and common.
And for questions, you can ask, how was your weekend? Did you do anything special? What did you do on Saturday? These help to start a friendly conversation.
Also, remember to use the past tense when you talk about completed activities. I went, I saw, I ate, I relaxed. Simple verbs are great.
Thank you for sharing your weekend with us, Peter. I enjoyed all the small details, the market, the concert, the bike ride.
Thank you, Lily. I loved hearing about your piano practice, your family lunch, and your quiet Sunday. These small moments are meaningful.
Before we say goodbye, a gentle reminder. If you liked Part 1 and Part 2, please consider supporting Mr. Peter channel. A like, a subscribe, or a share helps more than you might think, and it's a lovely way to tell us you enjoyed our conversation.
Yes, your support lets us make more friendly, easy English chats. If you have a moment, leave a short comment telling us, how was your weekend? We love reading your answers and learning with you.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today. We hope these simple phrases help you speak about your weekend with confidence.
Until next time, take care, keep practicing, and enjoy the small moments. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone. See you in the next episode.